Tapos tignan naman natin kapag nag-rear tayo. So, ito yung 360 camera niya. So, ayan. Liwanag din.
What's up guys, Summer here and welcome to another episode of Summer's Auto Marketing. So kung bago ka pa lang sa channel ko, please hit the like and subscribe to the button para lagi kang updated sa lahat ng videos na i-upload ko. So for today's video, ang i-review naman natin ay ang MG50 Plus Luxury, which is the top of the line ng MG50. So samahan niyo ako and let's go! So guys, this is the MG50 Plus Luxury. So SRP niya is 1,288,888. So naka-promo siya for only 68,000. So ano ba makikita natin dito? So guys, as you can see, naka-LED projector lamps na siya with daytime running lamps na rin. So they are both LEDs for mas maliwanag sa gabi. Then, ito naman yung chrome design niya. Laki, no? Ang laki niya, guys. Sobrang laki niya. And then, with the MG badge. So guys, ito naman yung design ng gulong. So it is a one-tone alloy. Then ang size ng gulong ay 215 by 55 rim 17. And then they are all disc brakes na rin, guys. So for better performance when it comes sa brakes. So guys, ito naman yung makikita natin sa side doors, no? So as you can see, dito ay leather. Mukha lang plastic pero leather to. And then ito yung plastic niya. Tapos ito yung coin holder and then yung locks. Button locks. Tapos dito makikita yung kanyang sa gasoline pag gusto mo siyang i-open. And then you have two cup holders. Then naka power seat na rin siya. And black leather with white stitch. So ayan, ganyan kaganda yung design ng MG. Then here naman, dito makikita yung buttons for adjustment ng side mirrors with auto fold. And then it has mode sa headlamps. Ito yung naka-auto, tapos tail lights, and then sa headlamps and fog lamps. So guys, ito naman yung meter cluster niya. So, analog cluster with the combination of dyan nyo rin makikita yung speedometer and then yung odometer, guys. So, ayan. Malaki siya actually. It is a 7-inch LCD display. And then, may paddle shifters siya, guys. Ayan, o. So, pwede siyang mag-manual. Actually, it is a 7-speed automatic transmission. So, dito naman makikita yung kanyang cruise control. And then, dito naman yung answering calls at saka sa sounds. Nice. Then, ayan guys, nakalink na yung cellphone ko using QD Link. So, kailangan mo muna siyang i-download sa Android. Tapos, ikabit mo lang yung USB mo and then, ayan. So, ano ba makikita dito? So guys, ito lang yung makikita sa QD link. So maps, sounds, tsaka answering calls. So if I want to access the Google Maps, just click it and yan. So screen rotation na natin. Yan, para lumaki. Yan. Tapos if I want to which is, let's say for example, Alabang. Touchscreen naman siya, guys. Then, start direction. Yan. Amazing. So, mas reliable kasi to versus dun sa Waze. So, yan. So, sa home screen naman, ito yung makikita. So, ito nga pala yung QD link. Download nyo lang yan sa Android Store. Then, ito naman yung, bali naka-touchscreen na din yung sa controls ng aircon. Then, you have 2 USB, yung isa 5 volt, mas mabilis. And then, may cellphone holder ka rito. Pwede rin dito, pwede rin naman dito. Tapos, 2 cup holders and then electric parking brake with auto hold and traction control off. Tapos, may lagayan ka pa dito and you have a big armrest with 2 cup holders sa likod. So, ayan. Ganyan kalaki. So, if you want more space, meron ka pa rito, guys. So, yan. Tapos, ito yung pinaka. And then, sa taas naman ay you have halogen lamps. Tapos, dito naman, so walang salamin. But, you have 6, actually 4 airbags lang, guys. 4 airbags. So, ito yung top of the line. And, mas spacious siya kaysa sa Avanza Veloz GN69 GAC. Then, kasing size siya ng Maxus. Kasi, Maxus and MG are under the same company which is SAIC. So, punta na tayo sa second row. So, ito naman yung second row ng MG G50 Plus Luxury. So, it is a leather also. And then, you have 2 cup holders sa gitna. Plus, you have the controller here for aircon. Yan. Tapos, 1 USB and ito pa. Tapos, pwede rin, ayun, lagayan ng cellphone. So, you have document holder here. So, ayan. And then, cabin light. Tapos, you have aircons here. So, yun. So, ito naman yung third row ng MG G50. So, you have 2 cup holders on each side. Ayun. Tapos, you have the air vent also sa lahat ng side. So, pwede tatlo dyan. Actually, it is a 8-seater MPV, guys. So, spacious din siya actually. So guys, ganito nga pala kalaki yung kanyang legroom. So, I'm just a 5 feet height. So, spacious pa actually. So, yun. So guys, ito naman yung likod ng MG G50. Then, naka-LED tail lamps na siya. Tapos, it has camera at the back. And then, 3-eye sensor. guys, ganyan nga pala ka-flat yung likod or third row ng MG G50. Tapos it has light at the back. And then you have the extra compartment here. Plus, ito naman yung mga set of tools. Then ito, pwede itong lagayan ng mga sapatos or mga pinamili mo na. So, plastic to. So, kapag mamimili ka, pwede mong ilagay yung mga meat dito para di sumingaw. Tapos, dito naman yung control sa spare tire pag gusto mong kunin siya sa ilalim. So, ito siya. So, that's it guys, and I hope na marami kayong natutunan sa pagpe-present ko. For more inquiries, please hit the number below or kindly message me on my Facebook account, which is Summers Auto Marketing. So, if you have questions, comment lang kayo sa comment box and sasagutin ko kayo agad. So, that's it for today, and I hope na nagustuhan niyo yung presentation ko. And see you on another one. Bye guys!